every lure manufactured and sold, a percentage is contributed to the development and maintenance of public fishing and boating access areas.
For every piece of fishing equipment we buy, we fund fish attractors and other aquatic habitat enhancements we love to fish around.
For every rod and reel sold, we support education programs that encourage ethical angling and teach kids and adults to fish, sometimes for the first time.
For every purchase of fishing supplies and boat fuel, we're helping support our state fish hatcheries and helping them produce channel catfish, striped bass, and mountain trout, which are stocked annually back into our rivers, lakes, and streams.
For every license purchase, we fund research and monitoring for some of North Carolina's favorite sport fish species. Every license is appreciated too, because the more licensed anglers North Carolina has, the more funding North Carolina receives through the Sport Fish Restoration Program.
So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So thank you for contributing to the conservation and management of North Carolina fisheries through the Sport Fish Restoration Program.